Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today we will see how to add leaves from HR side. So let's start. Just click on HR module and select leaves or vacations submodule. Just click on these four dots. You will see add leave option over here. Just click on it. Then select the year. Then select leave type, which leave you have to add. I'm just selecting sick leave. Whichever leave you have configured, that leave types will be available over here. If you don't get any list over here, then check out my previous videos to how to add leave type and how to configure it. Just select the then select the employee. I'm just selecting Tina over here. Then select the from date. I've just selected today's date over here. Then select to date. If it's half day, then select as yes. If not, then keep it as it is. If in first half you have taken a half day, then select yes. If in second half, then select as yes in this section. Your leave count will be available over here. Enter phone number during leave. Add the reason. I'm just adding test leave over here. Enter address during the leave. Any backup. If any manager notes are there, then enter it. Approved by manager, then click on yes. If not, then keep it as it is, as no. Any HR notes are there, then add it. Approved by HR, then click it as yes. If not, then keep it as no. Then you have to create leave item against that leave. Then you have to check if that leave is paid or unpaid. Then keep it as yes to check it. And just select status as approved. If any attachment is there against that leave, then upload it over here and just click on save only option. Then they will ask you, are you sure you want to create leave items? Then select yes. If you don't want to create, then select as no. I'm just selecting yes. Then page will be reloaded and data will be saved and you will see multiple tabs over here. On leave item tab, you can easily check your leave is paid or unpaid, and HR can easily update your leaves through these options. You can also check audit logs in audit log tab again these leaves. Just click on back. You will navigate to index page and your leave is added successfully on the index page. You can easily view, edit and delete that leave through these actions. You can quick search your leaves through this filter given over here, and you can quick refresh your search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add leaves. If you get any query to add leave, then please connect us at contact us at @sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video.